Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix messages in iCloud is currently disabled. iCloud plays a key role in synchronizing and safeguarding messages and other important data in Apple devices. However, users may encounter issues such as the disabling of this crucial feature when you try to backup messages to iCloud. It can cause inconveniences such as fragmented message histories to a loss of synchronization between devices. This video mentions the common causes behind the messaging in iCloud is currently disabled error. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is force to start your device. One solution to address the issue of messages in iCloud is not working involves performing a force restart on your iOS device. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign in. Consider signing out of iCloud and then signing back in. This process can help refresh your iCloud in connection and potentially resolve any underlying issue. It resolves issue related to iCloud service including problems with iMessage. For this, open your iPhone settings, then tap on the Apple ID name at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and then tap on sign out or sign out of iCloud and then input your password and then tap to turn on off to confirm. After signing out, wait for a few moments and then tap on sign in to your iPhone or sign into iCloud, then enter your Apple ID and password and you are done. And the next step is turn on two-factor authentication. One best solution to solve the iCloud disabling issue is to enhance the security of your iCloud account. Enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. It enhances the protection of your data including messages in iCloud. It can help solve frequent password changes triggering. For this, go to your iPhone settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Tap on sign in and security. Next, tap on two-factor authentication. And then add a phone number to receive verification codes. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm the activation of two-factor authentication. And then enter your password in the provided field and then select confirm to complete the setup and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Reset your iPhone's network settings. It can help resolve connectivity issues that may be preventing messages from functioning correctly. By resetting these settings, you clear out any potential configuration errors affecting your device network connectivity. For this, go to settings. Then scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then choose reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction and you are done. And the next step is update iOS version. To address potential glitches, ensure that your iPhone's operating system is up to date. For this, go to settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS. The installation process will then begin and your iPhone will restart once the update is complete and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of messages in iCloud is currently disabled, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.